Hi there and welcome to Gapper Connect. My name is Claire and I'm the Discord Community Manager for CanGap, and today I'm going to be helping you navigate the platform as well as learn a few tips and tricks to have an amazing experience on the Gapper Connect Discord. Gapper Connect is based on a platform called Discord. If you don't have a Discord account yet, you'll need to sign up for one after clicking the link to access Gapper Connect. Here's how to access Gapper Connect. First, go to cangap.ca/gapperconnect. Then, fill in the short form on the website. Next, wait for the email that will give you the link to the platform hosted on Discord. Once you've got the email, click on the link sent to you and open up Discord. If this is your first time using Discord, then you should know that you can use it on all different types of devices. You can download it on your computer from their website, and off the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android. Once you've made an account and downloaded Discord, you'll be warped into the Gapper Connect server. Now, let's get oriented with the Discord platform. This is what Gapper Connect will look like when you first join. If you look on the left of your screen, you'll see the major topics of the server represented by hashtags. You can click through these hashtags to view the conversations within them. Not all hashtags, or channels per se, give you the opportunity to chat in them. Some, like announcements, are only for updates that admins can post. So don't worry if they have a grayed out chat bar that prevents you from typing in them. But what happens if you want to chat to your Gapper friends over voice? Well, we have 4 channels dedicated to this purpose. These are Discord's voice channels, and they are basically an open line of communication that you can join at any point in time and start a voice call. So, to demonstrate, let's say that 2 Gappers want to have an impromptu conversation. All they need to do is click on the general voice channel and begin talking. But what if we want to make it feel like we're more in person with our friends? Well, we can give access to our cameras and click on the camera icon on the bottom left to show our face. And if we want to share our screens, we can do this easily by clicking the button next to the video camera. You can choose to either just share a tab or share your full screen as well. Once your conversation is over, all you need to do is click on the button here and you'll be disconnected from the call. And that brings us to the next column of the Discord platform, the chat column. This is where you'll be able to view previous messages and write your own one as well. The bar in the bottom column on the platform is there for you to type in. You can even add images, GIFs, and emojis to your message easily by clicking on the icons to the left and right of the bar. Here's a little bit of a pro tip. If you see an interesting conversation and you want to reply to someone's message, you can hover over it or long hold it on a phone and then click reply to type your message. The next component of the Discord is the right sidebar. This sidebar is populated by the other people in Gapper Connect. People are sorted by their roles in the community, with community managers and moderators at the top, game planners next, ultimate planners, then Gappers. To learn more about our tier system, you can visit the channel below announcements. Anyways guys, I hope you found this tutorial of the Gapper Connect Discord server helpful. I can't express how excited I am to meet you on the server. I think it's really important for Gappers to stay connected, especially during their gap year, and I hope you enjoy using Gapper Connect to network, collaborate, and create something amazing. And that's it. If you're ready to start using Discord, make an introduction and then hop on into General and start a conversation. I can't wait to meet you. I'll see you there. Bye!